illustrated on the silver screen. Murder on the Orient Express.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Carroll County in north-central Indiana, southeastern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, and all of White County in north-central Indiana until 8:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rensselaer, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source: Doppler radar impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Monticello around 8 p.m. Locations/other locations impacted include in Indiana, Jasper County, which includes Remington, Rensselaer, DeMotte, Egypt, Collegeville, Pleasant Ridge, McVoiceburg, Hanging Grove, Aix, Parr, Dunsbridge, Teft, Asphaltum, Bailey's Corner, Deer Park, Virgie, Forest City, Fair Oaks, Fountain Park, Kersey, Stoutsburg, Lewiston, Newland, Gifford, and Wheatfield. In Indiana, White County, which includes Wolcott, Brookston, Reynolds, Chalmers, Smithson, Monticello, Norway, Indiana Beach, Burnettsville, Lee, Monon, Round Grove, Springboro, Headley, Liberty, and Idaville. In Indiana, Carroll County, which includes Delphi, Flora, Camden, Burlington, Bringhurst, Deer Creek, Rockfield, Patton, Radnor, Ockley, Iasco, Piermont, Burroughs, Prince William, Cutler, Lexington, Wheeling, and Yeoman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building/get inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows.
Else.
They're so powerful and fast and unlike anything I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Like, dude, this is crazy.
They've been speaking to us in code for years.